that you have a lot of fans there. What can you say to them? Okay, are you ready with your question? Describe a moment when you feel truly proud of yourself, not because of recognition, but because you knew you made a difference again.
Well, we all knew that we do possess something different in many ways, or even in action. I can surely describe a moment proud of myself, and I do believe that moment is today. Standing here in front is a part of my life experience that challenged me to grow as a person. But I do believe that I don't have to make a difference to be proud of myself, as long as I am true to myself. Life could somehow be harsh towards us, but despite of all things, no matter what, we still have to respond in a kind manner, where the better things follow, that can make a difference, that our barangay, our country rather needs, and build a better united world. And as a young woman standing here in front, ready to lead with the heart, mind, and soul, and that is something I am proud of. Thank you.
How do you plan to achieve your goals while staying true to your values and principles?
Well, we all have different perspectives and experiences in life that hasn't been a part of our success. But I believe that success can mean many things. It can be career achievements, business, or even academic excellence. But it doesn't define by money, status, or any possessions alone. But for me, true success comes from the joy and love from my family and to those people that surround me. Considering my experiences, strengths, and capabilities, achieving goals isn't that easy. It requires hard work, patience, time, and effort. And I do believe that as we continue learning, that builds a stronger and a wiser knowledge and foundation for us to keep a better united world. And I thank you.
Wala na kami nagka-time. Ngayon na kami nagka-time. Congrats. At ingat ka palagi.